Going on, guys? We got a trade recap today, and just want to start this video off by saying um, this was to pass an eval. My eval rebuild in 2 days, so this is not a trade I normally take. I wouldn't even be trading this day, but yeah, I just wanted to go over the quick little trade recap because it is something that I was actually pretty confident in, but it is not something I would take on a normal day. So coming into the day, this is a market open candle. What I really wanted to see was this 15-minute gap. If we look on the higher time frame. Right, we're rejecting out of these two 1 hours right here. We also tapped this 4 hour. So I'm expecting price to continue lower, especially after this insane dump last week. So market opens coming around. We start dumping off market open. I'm like, all right, this 15-minute gap is confirming that this might be the retrace. Even if we look on the 1 hour, we had this 1 hour, but I've been starting to use like 15-minute and 5-minute gaps like this as the actual retrace. So this was something I was targeting. Another confluence I added. We see this leg up, we see the retrace, and then we see another leg up. Oh, I actually don't have it on these settings, but even if we look at this 15-minute gap is in equilibrium of the range. So this is some place that price would like to reject and could be seeking for a retrace. First entry I took on the day was a short stop loss at this high, and then I TP'd at this low. And this actually ended up failing, and we lost like $700 on the day. We lost the $700. Need to make $1,300 to pass the accounts, and I was still really confident in this draw liquidity because if I look on the 5-minute, what do I see? A little 1 minute or 5-minute gap holding. This is not something that I'm crazy like I absolutely love. But if we look at like the closure of that 5-minute candle, give me one sec. We did not inverse the gap. We wicked all the way up here and did not inverse the gap. So I'm saying to myself, okay, if we start seeing selling pressure again, I'm still confident in the strong liquidity. This is going to hit. Go back down to the 1 minute, scaling back down. Looking for a nice displacement candle to the downside. What do we get? Bang. Displacement candle to the downside. Take my entry like this. Stop loss to the high. TP down here. And I don't know how much I risk, but we need to make 1,300. So entered with whatever sizing we needed. And we actually almost got edged, bro. I was playing golf this day. I looked at the charts on right at this candle, and then I had to go hit my ball, and I was like, all right, bro, this shit's not playing out. I'm just gonna go hit my ball, and then I come back, and I'm like, I had a great shot too, and it played out, and I was like, let's go, man. Bottom ticks the exit, bang. Fresh accounts passed. We now have 5 accounts. 2 of them are almost blown. Like if we look at this one, negative 63. No idea how this is not blown. This one's at $50, but I already took payouts on both of these, so I can't let them go below 0, which is why I'm a little confused on how this one is at negative 63. But we got CPI coming out tomorrow, so I will be putting those accounts on CPI because what am I going to do with a $50 drawdown and a negative $63 drawdown? So I'm going to try and make the best of them and maybe revive them. If not, no problem. We got these 3 accounts that we're going to be trading now. Hopefully we can have a nice little 5-figure month this month. That would be pretty nice. Nothing like, I'm not expecting it, but that would be really nice. And I'm pretty confident I could do it. 2K payout on each account. If I revive these accounts, of course. But 2K payout on each account would bring me to a 10K month. And I'm very confident that I can do that. So that's about everything for the video, guys. Just a nice little trade recap today. Hope you guys enjoyed it. But I'll catch y'all later. Peace out.